Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to another art journal video today. This one is sped up because I was just so unprepared for this. As I said before, I have been dealing with a creative block, and I find art journaling really it really helps me to unblock those feelings and just kind of create without a plan and do whatever I fancy at that particular time, and I don't worry about color combinations. I don't worry about being perfect or anything else. So today I decided to keep it really wild, and the only idea I had was to use this Wisteria, beautiful Wisteria stencil from TCW. This is from their new release, and I kind of wanted it to be the hair of my lady or the person that I was making, because I thought it would be like go with that wild and free theme. So I started out with that and then just used a lot of paints, a couple of stencils, and as you can see, I started out by making a pair of eyes, and then at the end I just decided to keep one eye. I thought that looked more appropriate with this design. So I sped up the video because I am not really using any new techniques as such, and I didn't want the video to take a long time for you. I hope you can understand what I'm doing here. With this wild and free stencil, now my background was pretty dark in colors, so neither black or white was standing out on it, and the wild and free was getting lost. So I actually went ahead and built layers and shadows to make that stand out. So I went with white first, you can see, but I felt like it's not coming out on the page, so I let it be, let it dry, and then I went in with yellow and then finally with some black. So you will see the final result has a lot of layers to that text. So I hope you enjoy this video and do give journaling a try. You can use any supplies that you have at hand, any kind of paints. It doesn't really matter, and you can just create whatever you fancy or whatever comes to your mind. So this process really helps me, and I hope you give it a try and it helps you too, in case you're in a situation like mine and stuck with you have ideas but still you don't have the will to implement them. So I'll see you again soon. I hope by then this creative block will be over and I will be able to share some new interesting projects with you that have been occupying my mind of late. And yeah, so have a great day and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.